Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to see your recently deleted posts on TikTok using an Android phone. Whether you accidentally deleted a video or want to review removed content, this easy method will help you access deleted posts within 30 days. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your profile screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Now tap on Recently Deleted. Here, you will see all posts you deleted within the last 30 days. That's how you can check your recently deleted TikTok posts on Android. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.